Hi everyone, this is your math guru. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve the following complex fractions. Starting with the first, I have 1 over 2 minus 2 over 3 as my numerator, and for my denominator, I have 3 1/4 plus 1 1/6. The first step is to change each term into an improper fraction. They are all in mixed number version. So for the first one, 1 over 2, that will be 1 times 2, that's 2 plus 1, 3. So the first term will be 3 over 2 minus, for the second term, I have 2 over 3, that's 2 times 3, that's 6, plus my numerator, 2, that's 8 over 3. So I have 8 over 3, all divided by 3 1/4, that's 3 times 4, 12, plus 1, 13 over 4, plus my last term, 1 times 6, that's 6 plus 1, 7 over 6. Because they all have different denominators, to simplify, I'm going to check and see if I can find the same lowest common denominator for both the numerator and the denominator. So I have my 2, 3, 4, and 6 as it is. My LCD, or my lowest common denominator, for 2, 3, 4, and 6 is 12. So I'm going to make all the denominator 12. And to do that, I'm going to write it by the side. I start with 3 over 2 to make the denominator 12. I'm going to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 6. So for the 3 over 2, I'm going to multiply that. My dot means multiplication. That's 6 over 6 minus, I'm going to put that in a bracket. Then to make 3 12, that means I'm going to multiply by 4. So I have 8 over 3 times 4 over 4. That will make the denominator 12. And then for the bottom, I have in bracket 13 over 4. To make 4 12, I multiply by 3. So that's times 3 over 3. And for the last but not the least term, I have 7 over 6. Multiplying to make 6 12, that means I'm multiplying both the numerator and the denominator by 2. Always note that it's an equivalent fraction, so whatever you do at the top, you do at the bottom. That will give us, for the first term, 6 times 3 is 18. So I have 18 over 12 minus 8 times 4, 32 over 12 divided by 13 times 3, that's 39 over 12, plus, then I have 7 times 2, 14 over 12. Now simplifying further, I will start with the numerator. Because the denominators are the same, that's 12, I'm going to place both fractions under the same denominator, which is 12, and then at the top I have 18 minus 32. I'll do the same at the bottom. Because the denominators are the same, that's 12, I'm going to place the fractions under the same denominator, which is 12, and at the top I have 39 plus 14. If I simplify further, 18 minus 32, that's equal 18 minus 32, that's minus 14 divided by 12. Now I'm going to change the long fraction bar using the division sign. That's divided by, then I have 39 plus 14, that's 53 over 12, and then applying the fraction law of division, I have negative 14 over 12 the division sign changes to multiplication, and then I flip the right hand side, that will be 12 over 53. I have 12 in 12, 1, and therefore my final answer will be negative 14 over 53. Let's look at the second example together. That says 2 1 over 6 plus 4 2 over 3, that's my numerator, and for my denominator I have 2 1/3 minus 5 3/4. For this example, I'm going to start by doing exactly what I did in the first example, that is change each mixed fraction into an improper fraction. So for the first term, I have 2 times 6, 12 plus 1, that's 13 over the denominator, 6, plus, then I change 4 to third, that's 4 times 3, 12, 12 plus 2, that's 14 over 3. Then for my denominator, I have 2 times 3, 6, 6 plus 1, 7 over 3 minus 5 times 4, 20, 20 plus 3, that's 23 over 4. The next step is to check all my denominators and see if I can find the same or a common LCD or lowest common denominator for the top and the bottom. The LCD or the lowest common denominator for 6, 3, and 4 is also 12. So therefore, I'm going to make each of the term have a denominator of 12. So starting with the first term, I have 13 over 6 times, to make 6 12, I'll multiply by 2, and whatever you do at the top, you do at the bottom. Then I have 14 over 3. To make 3 12, that's multiplying it by 4. I'll do the same at the bottom. That's 7 over 3 times, to make 3 12, I'm multiplying by 4, like I did at the top, minus. Then I have 23 over 4, to make 4 12, I'm multiplying by 3. And simplifying further, I have 13 times 2, that's 26 over 12, plus 14 times 4, that's 56 over 12 for my numerator, and for my denominator I have 7 times 4, 28 over 12, minus 23 times 3, 69 over 12. And because I have the same denominator, I can group my fractions, so that's equal to, for the top, if I group them under the same denominator, which is 12, at the top I will have 26 plus 56, and then for the bottom I have 28 minus 49, that's minus 41 over 12. So that's equal to, I'm going to change the fraction bar into the division sign. So I have 26 plus 56, that's 82 over 12, divided by minus 41 over 12, which is equal to 82 over 12 times, I'm going to flip the right hand side, 12 over negative 41. I have 12 in 12, 1, and therefore 82 divided by negative 41, that's negative 2. Thanks for watching. Bye.